Are you aware of the morning routines that might contribute to weight gain? If not, you're in good company. Many are unaware of how their morning habits can impact their weight and well-being. This video will explore some prevalent morning habits that can lead to weight gain. Our aim is that by the conclusion of this presentation, you'll feel empowered to opt for healthier breakfast and lunch options, potentially averting weight gain altogether. 1. Oversleeping. Oversleeping is a leading cause of weight gain. When you oversleep, you tend to sleep longer than usual, leading to circadian rhythm disorder and disrupting your body's natural sleep/wake cycle. This can result in weight gain because you're not getting the same amount of physical activity during the day as you would if you were awake. So, if you're finding it hard to get up in the morning, make sure to adjust your bedtime so that you're able to get a good night's sleep. 2. Skipping your breakfast. Skipping breakfast deprives your body of the essential nutrients needed to kickstart your day effectively. This deprivation often triggers cravings for unhealthy snacks later, culminating in increased calorie intake and subsequent weight gain. Moreover, when you forego breakfast, your body lacks the opportunity to properly digest the overnight intake, potentially resulting in discomfort such as gas and bloating. Research indicates a correlation between breakfast skipping and obesity, underscoring the importance of this meal in weight management. Additionally, skipping breakfast can escalate the likelihood of overeating throughout the day, compounding the risk of weight gain. 3. Breakfast made of processed food. To sidestep weight gain, prioritize a healthy and nourishing breakfast, as it's a pivotal meal in your day. Yet, it's common for individuals to opt for processed foods over wholesome choices in their morning meals. Processed foods are typically full of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. They also contain many empty calories that fuel your body for the rest of the day. This means that breakfast made with processed food significantly contributes to weight gain over time. 4. Lack of sunlight. Lack of sunlight is one of the morning habits that can cause weight gain. Sunlight is essential for producing vitamin D, which regulates your metabolism and prevents weight gain. When you don't get enough sunlight in the morning, your body overproduces ghrelin, a hormone that stimulates eating. This makes it more difficult to resist food cravings when you're hungry and looking for a snack later in the day. 5. Not drinking enough water. Drinking water in the morning is one of the best ways to avoid weight gain. Not only does it help you feel more energetic and alert, but it also helps you regulate your appetite and keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. 6. Exercise avoidance. When you don't exercise, your body doesn't have the opportunity to burn any calories. This means that all that energy that would have been used for exercise is instead stored as fat. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and obesity. 7. Snooze the alarm. When you snooze the alarm, you're telling your brain that it doesn't need to wake up right now. Instead, it can go back to sleep for another few minutes. Over time, this will lead to a gradual increase in your calorie intake throughout the day. 8. Ignoring a glass of warm water. A glass of warm water is an easy way to start your day off right and help you lose weight. However, many people ignore this simple habit and gain weight as a result. 9. An excessive amount of coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular morning drinks. It's caffeine-packed and gives you that boost you need to start your day. However, too much of anything can be bad for you, including coffee. 10. Consumption of sugary drinks. Excessive intake of sugary drinks in the morning can lead to weight gain. These beverages are high in sugar and calories, which accumulate rapidly with daily consumption. Additionally, they often contain artificial sweeteners, posing potential long-term health risks. Adjust your morning habits and exercise routine to manage your weight better. Choose healthier snacks before work instead of junk food. Remember, achieving fitness goals takes consistent effort and determination.